Do you know the benefits of apple cider vinegar? Besides being a great seasoning for salads, it also has many uses in popular medicine. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can help in the treatment of many dog diseases? Apple cider vinegar can calm the digestive tract of dogs and is also used as a natural control for fleas and itchiness. See how to use apple cider vinegar in your dog. Helps treat fungus in the paws. It is common for dogs to catch fungal infections in their paws. By adding 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to half a cup of water inside a spray bottle and spraying it on your dog's paws, you can get rid of infections. Helps with urinary infections. Apple cider vinegar also detoxifies the urinary tract of your dog. Dilute 1 dessert spoon of vinegar in your dog's drinking water and follow the treatment prescribed by the vet. Acts against arthritis. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory action and high vitamin C levels. Both properties help treat canine arthritis. The treatment is similar to the previous one, a dessert spoon diluted in your dog's drinking water. Cleans and avoids ear infections. Did you know that apple cider vinegar can keep your dog's ears clean? You can combine equal parts of warm water and apple cider vinegar for cleaning ears and paws. If your dog has an ear infection, talk to a vet first. However, using vinegar keeps your dog's ears clean and free from fungal infections. Gets rid of fleas. Apple cider vinegar is great for getting rid of fleas naturally. See how. 1. Combine equal parts of apple cider vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. 2. First do a small allergy test to ensure your dog isn't allergic to apple cider vinegar. 3. Using a clean cloth, rub the mixture on your dog's legs and belly. 4. Spray a small amount over the back. 5. Never spray this vinegar solution on your dog's face. 6. You don't need to rinse the animal after applying it. The vinegar smell will be gone once the solution dries off. The acidity of vinegar helps repel fleas and other parasites from your pet. Not everybody agrees on using apple cider vinegar on dogs, so whenever you use it, do a small allergy test before. If your pet shows any allergic symptoms or intolerance to the ingredient, stop the use. It is worth remembering that it is necessary to talk to a trusted vet before starting any natural treatments with apple cider vinegar in your dog. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.